The Hunter-class frigate program is delivering Australia's most advanced anti-submarine warships to the Royal Australian Navy, as well as building a sovereign manufacturing industry. While car manufacturing employed many Australians and supported local suppliers over decades, continuous naval shipbuilding is providing generations of Australians with highly skilled jobs, boosting small businesses and strengthening our national security for generations to come. And to build the world's best frigates, you need a world-class shipyard. Today, Osborne Naval Shipyard is a state-of-the-art, purpose-built digital shipyard that employs more than 2,000 Australians working across 3 construction halls, one as long as a football field and as tall as a 15-storey building. Built with 4,000 tonnes of steel, creating 40,000 square metres of production space, and the largest roller door in Australia that Ship 1 will roll out of in 2028. These technically advanced facilities use smart digital tools to boost productivity and performance, and massive cranes that move the ship blocks with ease and speed up production. Highly skilled welders work with cutting-edge technology such as robot welders to get their easiest jobs done fast and with precision, while the pulse line moves flat sections of steel through production, transforming them into large units every 10 days. Here, in this world-class shipyard, a growing Australian workforce is powering through the build of the first Hunter-class frigate. The Hunter-class frigate program is investing in education, technology and industry today to build a lasting homegrown manufacturing capability that will protect our shores tomorrow.